Hey everyone, over here, we're going to break down how to turn on SMS on iPhone. Okay, you're probably seeing blue bubbles sometimes and then nothing goes through. So right here, I'm going to show you how to make sure your iPhone can send regular text messages too. First, what you're going to want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone, the gray gear icon. Scroll all the way to the Apps section. Now scroll the screen and tap on Messages. This is where iMessage and SMS settings live together. On this screen, look for the option that says Send as Text Message. You can go ahead and turn that toggle on. When this is on, your iPhone will automatically send a message as SMS, the green bubble, when iMessage, the blue bubble, is not available. Oh great. This is super helpful when the other person doesn't have an iPhone or your internet is weak. Make sure iMessage is also on if you want to use both. That way, your iPhone is bright smart enough to pick the best way to send the message. Anyways, sometimes even after turning that on, messages still don't go. So let's check a few things to make up for that. First thing, check your carrier plan. You gotta have an active cellular plan that supports SMS. Some data-only or expired plans won't send text messages. If needed, call on your carrier and ask if SMS is enabled on your number. Next, check your signal. Look for the bars at the top. If the signal is low, move to a better spot. SMS needs cellular, not Wi-Fi, so make sure your iPhone is actually connected to the mobile network. You can also restart your iPhone. This sounds cheap, but it fixes a bit of glitches. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on. Another quick trick. Enable airplane mode for a few seconds. Swipe down to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your connection to the tower. This helps when messages are stuck. If you still can't send SMS after all this, you might have to have your carrier reactivate your line or reset network on their end. Sometimes there's a block or billing issue, so link up with them. That's it. Now your iPhone is ready to send green bubble SMS when iMessage isn't working. Make sure you keep your signal good and your plan active. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask below. I'd be happy to help you out right here.